Hey everybody, welcome to the 1-minute video tap demo. Let's get into it. So I'm going to paste in a YouTube URL here and we're going to turn it into a blog post. So a lot of our videos have untapped potential. We want to make sure that we can get more content and more impact out of the videos we've already made. All right, we'll let that finish up. And now we have transcribed the video and turned it into a fully formatted blog post. And check this out, we can even do code blocks. So we have our headings, our paragraphs, all that good stuff. And this blog post is pretty much ready to publish. And if you want, you can go in, make a couple of tweaks with our editor. You can do stuff like adding in more headings. You can even do cool stuff like adding in screenshots. So you can just drop in a screenshot straight from your video right here. All right, that looks great. So once you're ready to publish your blog post, all you got to do is come down here and say, get your post. We're pricing at $1 per minute of video. So for a 9-minute video, you get a full blog post for $9. That saves you a lot of time and a lot of effort when you could have paid an author for maybe a couple $100s to write the blog post out. So I hope this tool is helpful. Give it a try at videotapit.com. You already put in the work and made great videos, so let's get more out of them.
Hey there, I thought I would make a brief tutorial on how to edit clips in your VideoTap account. So at this point, you've likely already uploaded your video. So in order to find the clips for your video, you just have to go to this selection over here and click clips. For my video, you can see that it came up with these 2 clips that it generated for me. And if I want to edit these clips, I can just click edit. And it shows up right here with all of the ways that I can edit my video over here. So to start, if you don't want to have words showing up on your screen, you can just uncheck this box over here. And as you can see, all of the words came off the screen and you just see the video as it is. If I want to show the words, I put them back on. To determine how many words that you want on your screen, you can just come to this box right here and change it up. If you want 4, 3, you can have as many as you want. So I'm going to stick with 6 for now. And I just thought that that looked good for my clip as it stayed on one line and allowed you to read along. So if I want to highlight each word as it is spoken, that's this check over here. If I don't really care about that, I can unclick it and it just comes up with the captions. For this purpose, I'm going to leave my words highlighted. Down here, you can select the highlight color that you want. So you can come to this square over here, scroll along, pick a color in here. You can move this circle around and select a different one, and it will update it on the video. What else you can do is if you want to go and pick your own hex code, you can find lots of them. Just type hex codes, and it will come up with different hex codes over here. So I just copy and paste into here, make sure you have that hashtag, and it uploaded my highlight color for this video. For text size, you just come right down here. You can choose to go as small or as big as you want. So that would be 31. You can also type it in. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to leave it at 45 because I like the size of it and I like that you can still see the video above the text. To decide where you want the text positioned within your video, you can click over here. There's a top, center, bottom. I'll leave it at the bottom. If you want to, if this is for TikTok or like an Instagram or Facebook Reels or Shorts, it's recommended that you switch to vertical. If you don't really need that, you can switch back to horizontal. So that's the basics for this. If you want to edit the clip itself, you can go into here. As you can see, it already generated what the words are going to be on the screen. But if you see any typos that you want to fix, you can go in and fix that. So for this, I can say, I want a space between me trying, and it can clear that out. If you want to have a different clip for this video, all you have to do is go down. Let's start here. So we have a little bug, but we're figuring that out. So you have to start at the very beginning of a word and then end at the very end of the word. you can't go as far as you want with it. So you have to end at the very end of the word, and it will automatically regenerate that for you, and now you have a new clip. And that is how you edit your clips. Thanks so much.